This is the third of 6 videos highlighting how to use the multiplication grid. This is for least common multiple. In the first video, I showed how to make the multiplication grid just by using skip counting on the day of the SOL. Remember, we'll give you grid paper and you're going to make this all by yourself without prompting. If you make this on the day of the test, you get to use this the day of the test. Here's how you can use it for least common multiples. Now remember, least common multiples, we're talking about numbers like this. If we say, all right, I have these two numbers. I've got 6 and I've got 9. Well, you're going to start listing out all of the multiples of this number. So you're going to look at 6's line right here. You're just going to start writing them out. You don't have to write them all out. Just write a few. And let's see what you end up with. You have 6, 12, because 6 times 1 is 12, 6 times 2 is 12, 18, 6 times 3 is 18, 24, 30. I'm just going to take a break, and I'm going to take a look at 9's line. Well, here's 9, and here we go. And what we're trying to find out is if we find anything that is the same on these two lists. Well, here we go. 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. Wait a minute. I've already found a least common multiple. Now, chances are, if you keep going, you're going to find another one. It doesn't matter if we find another one because we're looking for the least common multiple. In this case, the least common multiple between 6 and 9 is 18. To do it again, let's show you how easy this is using that grid. Let's try this time 4 and 10. I'm going to write both numbers. I'm going to look at the 4 line. 4's line is here, and I'm looking along here, and I'm just going to start listing these numbers. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Now my brain just went, hey, I think I already found it because I know multiples of 10 have a 0 at the end. So let's just start doing it. Just in case if you need it, here it is. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Man, here we go. I just found the least common multiple. Again, if I kept going, I would eventually have 40 over here, and then I would have 40 here. And these would be common, that is true, but it is not the least common multiple.